Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatex I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Wednesday morning forecast update. Should start to feel some nicer temperatures today. Wednesday will be a comfortable day, and so will Thursday, and most of Friday. Pretty warm day for us, but now watching late Friday, you can see on your severe storm risk map here that Friday we are under the threat of seeing some strong to severe storms. We have that marginal and slight risk outlook 3 days out. So the Storm Prediction Center is confident that this next front that rolls in will bring some scattered severe storms to the Arklatex. And one thing to let you know about here, we do have a front coming late Friday. If the front were to speed up, in other words, if it were to be able to come through earlier in the day and tap into some of that warm air that we have available, could push some record highs on Friday. So if the front speeds up, we'll probably see more of the Arklatex under that threat for severe weather. If it slows down, then we maybe see that severe weather threat push to the east. But either way, we're watching kind of Friday afternoon, Friday evening, and into Friday night. So just wanted to put that on your radar here for the time being. Today will be a quiet, comfortable day. It was very cold yesterday as well as Monday. We'll start that warming trend today, which should carry us into the mid and upper 60s this afternoon. In fact, a few locations maybe at 70 degrees or so. We will start out with a few clouds today. There is a little disturbance south of us, which has kicked up some rainfall here. That rain is likely going to stay southeast of the Arklatex. I've left our forecast dry again today. Tail end of this cloud cover will kind of seep through this morning, and I think once we get into the afternoon, not surprised if we see mostly sunny conditions today, which will give us that nice warming trend, but a very cold morning. We're down to 34 in Idabel, Texarkana 39, where we have the scattered clouds. Once again, your temperatures are in the 40s and a pretty light breeze today. Winds will be out of the east at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. And later today, with a little more sunshine in the forecast pattern, should have highs comfortably here in the mid to upper 60s. And there's a few locations, including Center, which could maybe touch 70 degrees this afternoon. So going through the rest of the week on your Robbins Toyota FUTURECAST, again, some early day clouds south of I-20, but you can see the sun taking over for us. Just wonderful weather this afternoon with that light wind, low humidity, and highs in the upper 60s. It'll be a great afternoon to be outside today. And likely much of the day tomorrow, we do have a 20% chance of seeing some rain showers pop up here on your Thursday. We'll turn breezy and warmer tomorrow despite the clouds. We'll likely have highs in the 70s. And for Friday, again, we do have that cold front arriving late in the day. So right now, your Robbins Toyota FUTURECAST is showing the front beginning to move in during the afternoon. And you can see here in yellow where we'd see some of the heavier rain. That would indicate where the thunderstorms would be late Friday, so that's why we do have that threat for severe weather. And again, it would probably be all hazards, so in addition to the typical wind and hail threat that we see, there will be somewhat of a tornado threat here as well. So just make sure you keep up to date with this forecast, as we'll likely see some timing adjustments and maybe some threat adjustments as well. But again, late Friday, that time frame that we're watching, and we should rapidly dry out Friday night. The weekend will be drier but cooler, as we'll have highs in the 50s for the upcoming weekend. Not a big rainmaker for us. We're maybe showing some locations with about a half to 3/4 of an inch of rain, so this won't be a significant rainfall event. Again, the front moving through pretty quickly, which is why we'll see those lower rainfall totals late Friday. And again, that big temperature roller coaster. We go from the 60s today to near 80 by Friday. Then we cool into the 50s. We'll have a dry weekend and some nice weather next week. Looks like much of the week will be in the 60s as well as the 70s. Probably dry through next Tuesday or Wednesday, but we are watching the possibility of maybe some more rain on the way late next week.